Hello, what is up guys? Aman from Peso Smart Page here. Welcome sa panibagong episode. Shout out to all podcast listeners as well. I appreciate you all. Today, let's talk about GCash. So earlier today, may mga nakita akong posts sa Reddit about GCash being compromised. And I checked the news and marami ang nag-report na mayroong mga unauthorized transactions na nangyari sa GCash yesterday, November 8 and today, November 9. So, the users of e-wallet platform GCash reported incidents of unauthorized transactions with malicious actors transferred their money while they were sleeping on November 8 to 9. The malicious actors used the send to many feature of GCash, bypassing the security of the platform such as OTP, MPIN, and link to one phone only. So, that is a bit sketchy and fishy. Kasi hindi ka na pwede mag-log in sa multiple devices, right? Tinanggal na nila yung feature na yun. Kasi before, pwede kang mag-log in sa phone mo or sa iba pang phone, sa second phone mo. But ngayon, sa isang phone na lang siya gumagana. And then, log out na automatically dun sa kabila. Okay, so if we take a look at GCash, if i-tap natin yung send, express send lang yung available currently. And wala yung send to many and bank transfer. So, view all services natin. Pag kinlik mo yung send to many, nakalagay dito, this feature is currently on maintenance. Please try again later. Transfer. Yan, meron na pala ulit. But, wala dito sa send feature. Dati, I believe nandito na yun eh. GCash pa dala. So, this is different naman. Majority of the transactions happened in less than a minute or two to extract users' fund from their account. They pulled out money, 2,000 pesos at a time with two recipients per transaction. But iba mga screenshots na nakita, 1,000 pesos, may mga 1.5 or 1.8 per transaction. And again, hindi na-trigger yung OTP para ma-send yung funds na ito. And then, nag-release ng statement yung GCash. And they said that the company encountered errors in the ongoing system reconciliation but claims that the incident was isolated to a few users. And they also promised na ibabalik nila yung funds na nawala. And based sa mga Reddit posts na nireview ko, as of like 2 hours, 3 hours ago, nabalik na yung funds nila. And actually, I'm not sure if yung mga nag-report lang na nawalan sila yung bibigyan ng refund, but hopefully i-review nila lahat ng mga unauthorized transactions na ito. And if you're like one of the victim, you should report it as soon as possible para mabalik yung funds nyo. And yung problema nga rin dito is paano kung hindi mo check yung GCash mo every day. So, probably, sabihin natin, 1 week bago mo nalaman na nawalan ka pala ng pera or ng funds sa GCash. Like, will they still, like, reimburse you for that loss? Since di mo naman kasalanan yun, walang OTP na dumating, walang MPIN na na-require para ma-send yung funds. And this happened, like, yung intervals is a little bit weird. So, yeah, it's possible na yung sinabi nila na error lang ito on their end, but it's still possible na they were hacked, or it's possible na it's an inside job. So, ang kumuha ng mga funds na to, ng mga pera na to, is nagtatrabaho mismo sa loob ng GCash. So, those are the possibilities, but we're not sure what really happened. So, itong statement nila, take it with, a grain of salt. Ang dami nagsasabi na hindi sila naniniwala na ito talaga yung nangyari. They're just covering their asses to save face sa public. So, PR na to. But, it's really up to you kung ano yung paniniwalaan mo. But, bottom line, you have to secure your accounts. And I think hindi rin naman advisable na mag-keep ng malaking amount sa GCash unless you're using it every single day. For example, sa business mo. So, that's acceptable. But if you're parking your money there, I don't think that's a good idea kasi first of all, hindi sila PDIC insured. So makikita nyo yan sa terms and conditions ng GCash. So here we are sa terms and conditions ng GCash. Number 5, GCash Wallet. The GCash Wallet is a reloadable e-money instrument. It is not a deposit account, and it is not covered by the Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation or PDIC. It does not earn interest. So yung first 3 sentences na yun, dito pa lang, well, hindi naman lahat binabasa to. I personally didn't read all of these when I signed up for a GCash account. But ngayon na nagkakaroon ng mga ganitong scams or hacks or like mishaps sa GCash, it's gonna be better if meron tayong like preventive or preventative solution instead of umasa tayo sa kanila na they are gonna secure our accounts. You know, they're gonna improve yung cybersecurity ng GCash or whatever process or procedure that they're gonna do after this incident para mas secure yung accounts ng mga ng taong bayan with GCash, diba? But personally, if you don't use GCash every day, you can put your money, for example, sa Uno Bank, diba? Kasi yun, PDIC insured yung Uno Bank kasi it is a registered digital bank here in the Philippines. So registered sila sa BSP, and then PDIC insured sila. So up to 500k insured ng PDIC. Sa GCash hindi, kasi hindi naman ito deposit account. And again, it's not advisable for you to keep a big amount of money dito sa GCash wallet. Kasi andito na yung proof na it's easy to like bypass yung mga security measures ng GCash. And may ganito nga na issue na it's probably an inside job or they were hacked or whatever the case may be. Dapat tayo pa rin personally nag-iingat dun sa, hard-earned money natin. And we have to choose carefully kung saan natin ipapark yun. And we have to be smart about it. Kasi ipapark mo sa GCash yung pera mo para, sabihin natin convenient, magbayad sa bills or kung ano, mga everyday expenses. But it's not earning interest there. So, you're better off sa, for example, C-Bank or Uno Bank or other digital banks available out there na nag-offer ng high interest rate instead of like risking it sa GCash na ganito ang daming aberya currently. But hopefully they can resolve it kasi GCash plays a big role din naman sa fintech industry dito sa Philippines. So they are one of the pioneers. So it's not gonna be good if like they, for example, fail. But you can say that they are too big to fail already. But yeah, the mga ganitong mishaps not really good. Lalo na they are targeting to have an IPO next year. So they have to sort everything out. So ito mismo yung kanilang statement earlier today. GCash addresses system reconciliation, reassures customers accounts are safe. So you're naive if you believe that. But yeah, that's what they said. A few GCash users were affected due to errors in an ongoing system reconciliation process. This incident was isolated to a few users, and we assure our customers that their accounts are safe. Well, they're not, apparently. We have identified and reached out to affected accounts. Wallet adjustments are ongoing. So, that's good. So, may hashtag pa dito. I'm not sure. Maybe that's a typo. And then, yeah, for more information, please contact Kilda Makilan, VP and Head of Corporate Communications for GCash. So, again, this is PR strategy for them to save face and, cover their asses. Then itong nasa left, This was one screenshot kung saan nakuha yung 2,000 pesos sa GCash wallet ng isang user. And dito na send, magkaiba pang number. But maraming nakuhanan itong si 0962255390 and itong 0954329197 and meron pang 0953 I believe sa Reddit akong nakita kanina sa GMA News. So same thing lang naman yung report nila. So same screenshot lang din dito. So GCash users raise how over lost funds. E-wallet says it's correcting errors. Then same thing sa ABS-CBN GCash. Customers' accounts remain secure amid system reconciliation. Again, it's up to you if you believe that. And then ito pa. So isang celebrity sa Philippines, si Pokwang. So nag-IG live siya kanina and she said na 85k yung nawala sa GCash account niya. I'm not sure. So let's reconfirm that. Kung nabawi na ba niya yung funds niya kasi 85k, even though we know celebrities here in the Philippines are rich or wealthy if they're smart about their money. However, 85k is still 85k. So yung nakalagay, all money was claimed. And then statement. Oh, so saan niya ba sinend ito? Interesting. So, kay Pokwang pala sinend itong, what do you call that? This is probably an email to her. I'm not sure actually, but yun yung nakapost. And wala din to kasi itong official statement nila sa mga social media platforms sila. I checked Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, wala yun. So yeah, probably sa kanya directly sinend or dun sa mga affected users sinend yung statement na yun. But yeah, that's interesting. Then eto, what's funny is automated yung, what do you call this, yung nag-respond sa mga comments dito sa Facebook. So this was yesterday. And then may nag-post dito si MJGV Vlogs. Sabi niya, happy scamming anniversary GCash. And then yung reply ng GCash is, hi MJ, thank you for celebrating with us. Abangan ang announcement of winner sa aming grand giveaway dahil baka isa ka na sa mga maswerteng mananalo. Stay tuned dahil marami pa kaming nakahandang regalo para sa'yo. So that's funny. Kasi it's a bot. Kung bot yung nagre-reply dun sa mga what do you call this? Sa mga comments. So that's the only one I think na nag-reply. But yeah, napansin ko lang to nung nag-check ako kanina. Kasi I was looking for like the official statement nga ng GCash but they didn't post it dito sa official social media platforms nila or accounts nila. So again, that's something to think about. And probably that's like proof na they're trying to save face. And I think that's also okay-ish kasi it might cause unnecessary panic sa ibang mga users na hindi naman sila na nadamay sa incident na to or sa hack na to. Then lastly, this was the post in Reddit that I was talking about earlier. So nakuhanan siya ng pera and then yung mga nagsabi dito, yan, ito si Illustrious Age 8832 na-credit na rin back to his or her account yung 26k na nawala sa kanya. So, diba? Ang laking pera din nun. Then, 2k each for transactions. So, I'm not sure kung nag-update na itong si South Resort 8955. So, sabi nitong isang Redditor, my mom experienced this too. So, maraming naapektuhan. So, sinasabi nila na isolated case lang, but multiple users were affected. So, again, it's up to you kung maniniwala kayo dun sa official statement nila. Then si OP nagpost na rin 5 hours ago. My money has been credited back to my account. Check yours too. So, hopefully lahat ng mga nawalan is nag-report. Kasi again, I'm not sure if yung mga nag-report lang yung naibalik na yung funds sila. So, just check your account, and if nawalan kayo, like unauthorized transaction yun, contact their CS. I know a lot of people are complaining, especially here in Reddit, na hindi ganun kaganda yung experience nila sa customer support ng GCash, but you know, you still have to do it. And even though it's gonna be like annoying or frustrating, you know, do it and get your money back. Hopefully everything gets sorted out in the next 24 hours or in the next few days for everyone, and hopefully hindi na to maulit. So yeah, we will end the episode here, guys. Sana may natutunan kayo. Thank you very much for watching and listening. I'll see you on the next episode. Always remember, be Peso smart.